that same energy of the excitement and certainty that I knew that this was coming, that's how I feel about getting new deals, working with new clients, and having opportunity just busting through the door at me.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Judy Diaries. My name is Judy Rena, and today I have with me my fiance, Oscar, and we're going to be talking about how we manifested a Tesla. We just got this Tesla Model 3 yesterday from Carvana. I just wanted to talk about how it came into reality because we wanted it for a while. But really, Oscar was the one who kind of pulled the trigger, and he is the one who really manifested this. So I wanted him to be here to talk about how he thinks that it came into our reality.
It's like a bug, right? Like when it gets inside of me, where I'm like, obsessive, like it's all I'm thinking about. It's all like I'm just YouTubing it, I'm looking it up, I'm checking out pictures. It's like I become obsessive and over it. And the Tesla has been on our dream board like for a couple seasons, and most recently I put it on my goal list right next to like buying property and
Tesla Talks.
Tesla Talks. I came up with that idea originally. I write in my journal every night now. I've made it more of a habit because I took actually Judy Rena's course. If you haven't taken it, you should go check that out because it actually worked. I got a Tesla. The desire, right? The burning desire, like wanting it. Yeah. And then knowing in my mind that whether it's tomorrow or 10 years from now, I'm gonna have a Tesla. Like that certainty of knowing I'm gonna have it regardless of when it is. And then writing in the journal. So I would write in my journal like, I'm so excited about the Tesla that I have. I'm so excited about being able to drive a Tesla around. I'm so grateful that I get to live the quality of life that I do. Okay, fuck this guy. You're fucking up my self-drive, bro. So when I'm driving around, or if like I have a hard day or something, or like on my way to the gym, I'll scream it, so she never hears it because she doesn't like my masculine energy. And I'm just kidding. I'll scream it in the car like, every day in every way I'm getting better and better. Every day in every way I'm getting stronger and stronger. Every day in every way I'm richer and richer. Every day in every way I close more deals. Every day in every way I'm becoming who I need to be. Stuff like that. There's like the type of I yell at myself.
What about when you used your excitement for when you...
Oh, okay. Everybody gets Amazon packages nowadays, right? Like, you know how certain you are and how like excited you are that that's coming to you? That excitement and that certainty that you know that that thing is coming to you, you could use that and apply it to other things. Like, just as excited and certain that I was that this Tesla was getting delivered, I also channeled in my mind like I'm equally that same energy of the excitement and certainty that I knew that this was coming. That's how I feel about getting new deals, working with new clients, and having opportunity just busting through the door at me. And then like, so I use that same energy and tap into that like excitement and certainty that that's happening. And then I'll go into my journal and then write the gratitude of it. Like, I'm so grateful that I have like all these new clients and I make all that I need to make and meet all my goals. And so that it's like a full circle of using that excitement and then turning that excitement and certainty into gratitude and love. So I use the same technique with love for us. Like, I love her so much, and at the end of my journal, the same gratitude, because gratitude for me then converts into love, and vice versa. You could use that love to gratitude. And in my journal, I never showed her or told her about this, but I'll say I'm so grateful and thankful for my wife. I love her so much, like, because that love, that emotion, that energy that I feel is very similar to gratitude, and that's like, those are the key energies that have worked for me. I don't know.
They're the highest vibrations that you can experience. So if you want to manifest, getting into a really high vibration state is really important because it'll help you attract things really easily because you're already at like a really high level. So yeah, it's like transferring that energy that you already have for something else and then using that towards another thing that you want to attract. It's very smart, baby.
Oh, thanks. I just recently shared that with her too long ago, but I've done it for a while, and I don't know where I picked it up from. I think it might have been like Think or Grow Rich or like another like thing I heard a long time ago, but they would say certainty. Like the certainty is what will get you anything you want. It's like when you're certain, like you leave your house and you're going to the gym or the gas station or whatever, like who knows, like in the three-dimensional paradox, like if you weren't certain that the gas station on the corner of your like neighborhood wasn't there, would it still be there? Like, or do things only exist because you're certain and you believe that they're there?
And like the collective consciousness.
Right.
I really like how you use when other people believe that you are attaining this also. It helps with the manifestation. It's like when you start telling everybody that you're gonna get this thing.
Oh, yeah.
And then it like makes everyone else believe that, okay, Oscar's getting this thing or Judy's getting this thing.
Yeah.
So they also are putting their manifestation intention into that without realizing it. Because you're already, and you're like speaking it into the universe anyway. So, but I think it like strengthens it when everybody else is also believing of that. So if you haven't checked out the Manifest Your Dream Life course, it's a really good one if you want to learn how to manifest anything into your dream life, living your dream life day to day. So yeah.
Go check that out. You need to, because it really worked for me as well. Like that's what, when I took the course, it helped me create a routine of writing in my journal, and it helped me. There's a step in there that really got me, and it's like the action step. It's like, okay, write down like the whatever actions you're gonna take, and then set yourself. That like applied pressure on me. I was like, oh.
Alrighty, well I think that's it for today. Definitely check out judydiaries.com for more information on my course, and if you liked this, please share it with a friend, share it to your story, and tag me in it.
Deuces.
Otherwise, I'll see you guys later, and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye guys.